Guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, ilalak ko lang yung pito. Guys, I'm back to another video. So, kung nakita nyo na yung si Rosalinda, you know, I will gonna link down below the video, the story, the chika with Rosalinda. I don't know kung bakit siya nag-film sa channel ko, but yeah. So for today, this video is a monthly favorite. Guys, 2016. And this is a collaboration with Raboni Jade. Make sure to subscribe to my brother's channel. I will put the link down below. Sorry, hindi ko mapapakita yung picture dito or anything. But before we start this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And hit the subscribe button for more monthly favorite like this. If you want a collaboration with my twin brother again, make sure to comment down below. As in ngayon na yan, ngayon na. So, let's get start. So, the first things first is this Victoria's Secret lotion. This is a Pine Seduction Victoria's Secret lotion, and the scent is so great. Like, kung maaamoy nyo na talaga in person, like, ang bango-bango niya. So, that's why I love this one. So, next guys, gadget siya, pero I'm so in loving with this cell phone. And next guys is, kung nakita yun na to sa vlog ko or hindi pa, but I'm so in love with this bag. This is a North Face, the North Face. Kung gusto niyo i-check yung bag na to sa Instagram nila, I will put the link down below. Titingnan ko kung meron silang social media. I will put the link down below kung gusto niyo itong i-check. So that's why I have this bag, kasi napakalaki niya, tapos affordable siya. I only got this maybe on 400 pesos. But yeah, kasi malaki siya, so madami siyang storage. And next things guys, is my rip jeans. Like, I'm so in loving with this right now. Like, yung rip niya, as in yung rip niya dito, like, ganyan talaga siya. Yan, oh, bongga. Oh, yan, bongga. And I got this on size, ito yung size ko guys, 34. And I got this from Pen Shop. So, I buy this 700 maybe, if I'm not mistaken. And next guys is this one. I got this on the Pen Shop too. The design is look like this, and meron siyang zipper. So he got a zipper here on the both side, and ito yung tatak ng Pen Shop, if I'm not mistaken. And I am medium only, medium, if you can see. And I'm super. I got this for 500, and this is pala, this rip jeans is 1.2. So I don't know kung magkano siya. And next guys, here, ouch, kung nakita nyo na to, like, I'm super in loving with this long what do you call this? What do you call this? Kalimutan ko guys eh. Pero I'm so in loving with this. And inano na siya, sinuot na siya ni Rosalinda. Ginamit niya to sa video channel ko. So next guys is this super sweatshirt that I got from Baguio, and I buy this for only 700 if I'm not mistaken, or 400. Nakalimutan ko na yung mga presyo niya, pero may video ako na haul. If you want to check it out, I'll put the link down below so you can watch it. And yeah, oh, naglag. And malaki yung v-neck niya dito, as in pa dito ata, nakalimutan ko, but gusto ko yung design niya kasi gray. I like darkish color, so that's why I bought it. And the last thing guys is this one. As you can see, puro clothes siya, but kasi I'm super in loving with clothes. And I got this from Oxygen. This is a medium size. And tawag dito, long sleeve sweat, ewan ko, pero pag tinas mong ganun, umaabot siya dito, basta umabot siya pataas. So that's why I bought this from Oxygen. I cost 1,000 pesos. So, I hope you like the video, guys. I hope you like the monthly favorite video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. And kung gusto nyo pa makakita ng video na ganito, make sure to comment down below. And again, make sure to subscribe to my twin brother on the YouTube. It's Raboni Jade. I'll put the link down below. And yeah, so make sure to follow all my social media. I'll put the link down below. Yung mga links, lahat andun na. And then yung sa Oxygen, and then Pen Shop, I'll put the link down below on their Instagram page. So you can check it out. And kung may magustuhan kayong damit, i-request nyo lang sa akin yan kung magugustuhan ko din. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Goodbye guys!